Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 1. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to introduce yourself and learning the Finnish alphabet. This is really important in order to pronounce the words correctly and being able to speak more fluently. So let's start. Listen and repeat after me. Hei, minun nimi on.
Hello, my name is.
Moi, minä olen.
Hi, I am.
Mikä sinun nimi on?
What is your name?
Miten tavaat nimesi?
How do you spell your name?
Hauska tutustua.
Nice to meet you.
Samoin, hauska tavata.
Likewise, nice to meet you.
Moving into the Finnish alphabet. Listen and repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, X, Y, Z, ruotsalainen O, Ä, Ö. Now, let's put everything we have learned into a conversation. Just listen. Hei, minun nimeni on Veera. Mikä sinun nimi on?
Moi, minä olen Alireza.
Ali, miten tavaat nimesi?
A, L, I, R, E, Z, A. Alireza.
Hauska tutustua, Alireza.
Samoin, hauska tutustua.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video, look at the English sentences, and try to say them in Finnish.
Hei, minun nimeni on. Moi, minä olen. Mikä sinun nimi on? Miten tavaat nimesi? Hauska tutustua. Samoin, hauska tavata.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!